Hey everybody, good Tuesday morning. This is First Warn Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich. Good news on our storm front today. The severe weather threat is shifting to the north slightly. I still think we'll see an isolated storm, but the overall threat has diminished incredibly over yesterday. I started seeing some of these hints last night if you watched me at 11. So here's our severe weather outlook for today. You can see the threat has definitely shifted to our north, basically areas up in here across the Ohio Valley into parts of the southeast. It looks like it's going to miss most. You can see that the area of concern is basically right in here. I expect storms to form up here in the Ohio Valley and ride the warm front. Now, because the warm front shifted north, it kept that threat up there. Now, tomorrow we'll have to watch to see if that warm front sags to the south, and then that would put us into more of a risk that we would have to watch maybe for tomorrow as well. And just let me show you tomorrow's outlook. You can see it does sag a little bit further to the south and puts us more in a risk of some showers and thunderstorms that could be strong to severe. So it's something to keep an eye on tomorrow, that we might see a little bit more of a threat in this area. I'm moving the map too much there. Let me grab this real quick. Right in here will be the area we'll watch tomorrow, but it looks like to our west, that's where we'll see the bulk of the activity. Let me break this down and show you the overall threat today, and we'll show you some of the short-range guidance to see what happens later this afternoon. All right, let's show you what's going to happen today based on our future cast. You can see as we go through the afternoon, we'll see showers and storms form up here in the Ohio Valley. Now, two distinct areas we're going to watch. Cluster of showers and storms down here. These look like they're going to push down here, but this looks to be the main threat for severe storms over here. But notice a couple isolated severe storms try to pop up here in South Carolina. That's certainly a trend I'm going to watch as we go into the afternoon. We'll go to about 5, 6 o'clock. Right around 7, you notice the strong storms riding the warm front up here, but not a whole lot here across the Charlotte area. So overall, I think the threat for our area is going to diminish quite a bit today. So I am not concerned with a lot of severe storms. I'm going to go through the overnight hours and show you what could happen tomorrow, because it looks like a stronger waves of storms forms tomorrow to our west. We wake up, there's showers over in Tennessee, Kentucky, the Ohio Valley. As we go through the morning hours, those showers try to make a run at us, but a new line starts to form roughly around 6 or 7 o'clock. But even this one doesn't look all that impressive. So you're looking at pretty low risk here for severe storms. This is 8:56 tomorrow night. So this is Wednesday night. And you can see there are some showers and storms that develop in our region. But overall, the threat looks really much lower than it did about 24 hours ago. And the main reason that has happened, I'm going to go all the way through and show you as we go into early on Wednesday or Thursday morning. The front pushes through, and this is the front that's going to cool us down. You can actually see the front setting up here. So let's go back to our severe weather outlook here, and this will kind of tell you the story. I'm going to turn it on. Yesterday, this severe weather threat was definitely centered kind of more over us. Basically, what happened is this stalled front pushed back up to this direction. Now, tomorrow, it'll be something to watch as well. Where does that stalled front set up? Does it eventually shift back down here? I think it does, and that's going to put more of our area in the threat, but still looks primarily to our west. Let's go out to the Thursday time frame, and you can see we've got a low end risk as well. This is with the cold front, and actually it lines up perfectly with my model data. There's the actual front right around 2 o'clock pushing through the area, so there could be a couple gusty thunderstorms with that. So good news overall, today's threat is much, much lower. There it is. Don't anticipate a whole lot happening this afternoon. Can't rule out a stray shower, but it's certainly going to be very warm and mild with high temperatures in the low to mid 80s. Of course, I'll be posting updates throughout the day on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, right here at WCNC as well. You can tune in today at 4, 5, and 6, and 11 o'clock tonight. We'll have updates about all this from the home studio. Take care, everybody. Have a great Tuesday.